What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Fast Guy Media. It's your boy Kyle. I'm here with the co-pilot Jax, and today we are coming to you live from Agora Hills, California, USA, with another Wallis Annenberg wildlife crossing update. Back on site of the world's largest wildlife crossing. It is the time of the year where they are getting close to what the projected end date was, so we're really expecting to see a ramp up with a lot of preparation work that's been going on over the past few weeks starting to get in the ground. They are closing the service road Monday through Friday, but we're on the weekends to see what the progress is looking like, how those cranes are moving around, and what exactly is getting hammered into the ground that will be going over Agora Hills Road. Gonna make it short, gonna make it sweet. Somebody's got a little appointment with Sandy. On that note, it is time for a little chicken and apples for the co-pilot. Oh, there you go, buddy. He loves himself a good crossing. If you like what we're doing, if you want to help support the channel, buy me a copy, link in the description below. Super chat, super thanks. Give us a sub if you haven't already. Thumbs up the video, comment for better or for worse. Love to hear what you guys have to say, and we love bringing y'all that decent December content. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get on up there, show you guys what's going down. Peace.